Hello and welcome to another GoodX web training session. In this video we will be showing you how to set up your diary time slots. Start by clicking on the settings button in the top right corner, which is displayed as a gear. Once the settings screen pops up, click on the diary settings tab. On the diary settings tab, the selected diary will be shown and you can change it at this stage, or it will use the default diary you are on currently. Click on the day setup panel to expand it. Change the start time, end time and default duration fields for each day of the week to the preferred settings. Now that the day setup has been changed for the one diary, you can select a different diary if applicable to change the setup. Select the diary drop down at the top to select a different diary and change its setup. You can do this at the top of the diary settings screen, or you can also change to another diary and then reopen the settings screen. Click on the Save button to save and close the settings. Once you've changed this, all users will have to refresh to see the new settings.